execution-style murder that was caught on camera. A man gunned down in the parking lot of a popular seafood market. The victim was returning to his car when the killer ran up and shot him more than a dozen times. Local 10's Todd Tonga live now in Lauderhill with a search for the shooter tonight. Todd.
Calvin, Lauderhill police not mincing any words, calling this a straight-up execution. And we have to warn you, the video is chilling, and it was all caught on surveillance cameras. You can see why they call it an execution.
In the video, you see 33-year-old Gary Wallach and his girlfriend, Shala Jameson, shopping inside the lobster and seafood warehouse at 18th Street and 38th Avenue.
As the two victims are inside the business, you can see our gunman waiting outside.
After buying some lobster tails, the two walk to their car, and that is when the gunman, dressed in red, wearing a baseball cap, runs up behind Wallach and begins firing. We've blurred some of the video because it is so disturbing.
The suspect stands over our victim. As you can see, he fires more rounds into our victim at point-blank range, which clearly indicates this was a clear-cut execution. We've counted in the area our victim of being shot at least 13 times, and we believe there was possibly 25 or more shots fired.
The woman he was with ran off that way, and the shooter shot at her twice but missed.
Thankfully for her, she actually tripped over a parking stone, which caused her to fall to the ground. You can clearly see that in the video, and that simple accident may have saved her life.
Police are not clear on a motive yet, but say Wallach, who's a Jamaican national, had no criminal record here. However, the relationship with his girlfriend was relatively new.
We don't know what the backstory is between these two individuals, but it's very clear that this was not a random act.
Lauderhill police are looking for at least two suspects, the gunman and the getaway driver of a 2010 blue Nissan Altima, four-door with dark tint. The tag number is EZX. F13. If you know anything about this crime, you are urged to call police. By the way, Wallach's girlfriend is in protective police custody. She is no longer in Broward County, and she is cooperating with police. In Lauderhill, Todd Tongan, Local 10 News.
Okay.
I know people, man, tell us how the struggle is real. The madness, the everywhere now, people. The madness, the everywhere. All me can see how. R.I.P. So me I say.